How to add canvas in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now you can directly import the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Now here on the right top, tap on next. So basically we in this editing platform. Here you can edit and make different changes in the video. Here on the bottom, there are different tools that are available. So if you slowly swipe right, there's a section of canvas. Tap on canvas and here there are different options you can choose on. So you can select the one that you like. So after you do this, you can easily customize it. So it's up to you and the way you want to create your video. At last, you can simply go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.